Hello, and thank you for joining me here. I'm dealing with a bit of a cold this week. That's the difference in the tone of my voice. And so I decided to skip dairy for a little while and made some oat milk to accompany my coffee and tea. Taking my own advice to slow down is a must during the holiday season. And I find myself reflecting much on friendships lost this year and those I've gained. On those days I am troubled, I often go to Psalm 63:3, which says, "Because your steadfast love is better than life, my lips will praise you. So I will bless you as long as I live. In your name I will lift up my hands." As I draw nearer to 60, I found that the to walk in the old paths of Christianity is of much splendor to my heart. So in 2025, Lord willing, it is my plan to share more of what I'm learning with you. These smell so lovely. These are the actual spiced ornaments I created in last week's video. I've placed that link in the description box.
Now it's Christmas time. Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time. Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time.
Now let's make some vintage buttermints.
Now it's Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time. Christmas time. Christmas time. Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time. Now it's Christmas time.
Here I'm alternating the heavy cream with powdered sugar in the whipped butter. And last step is to add about a half teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now these must dry out for about 3 to 4 days.